Okay, so I've been asked about how do I draw in MC Paint, how do I create like sketch layer, and how do I get rid of it. And there are like several options on how to do that. Like, I mean, you could take the bucket and do this, but that's a lot of work, especially if you have like very complicated drawing with a lot of like scribbles here and there. It's just like it would be impossible to get rid of every every pixel of the sketch layer. So there are better ways to do it. For example, to use eraser, right? But you have to remember you gotta draw with a pencil, not the brush, because the brush is very like soft and has a lot of different colored pixels. So, but when you use the pencil is very crisp. It's just like straight up this color and nothing else. The brush, no, does this, and you will not be able to get rid of it with the trick I'm going to mention. So the trick is, you know how you could cut something, right, and move it around while it has a regular selection or transparent selection. If you use transparent selection, it will not take the color of the background that you have picked here. That's what you can use to get rid of the sketch color, because here sketch color is light blue. So if we take this UZ, you see like this blue color now is transparent when we take it out. So it can become something else. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna select everything, cut it. We can color everything with white because that's was the color of the background around UZ was, right? And now we hit, oops, my bad. We hit passed in. That's it. Like the sketch color disappeared because it was transparent selection, and we had another color on top, like the white one. It disappeared. Bingo, amazing. Another thing you could do is to use eraser to set it to like, okay, we need a white color here, and select the color you want to erase here. And when you erase, you need to hit right button on your mouse or the equivalent on your stylus, and it will only erase this color. But it's also a lot of work if you have like a big drawing. So doing the select everything, Control X, you put the color you need to disappear here, Control V, listo, you don't have sketch anymore. But you can also use this trick with a eraser or something for making a cool coloring, because now, for example, you can make this line art with like as a color, right? I use it a lot in my art. You could like use it for this, or you could use it to create like a shadow, for example. Like this is a, this uses skin color, and I'm like, oh, I want to make a cool shading. Nice. And it will only color, well, the color that is selected when I'm hitting the right mouse button. But yeah, this is a trick. Also, another little thing. Remember, when you color things in MC Paint, you have to look after the little thingies, little holes. Even 1 pixel can ruin everything. So yeah. But yep, this is actually very useful, especially if you, for example, like you have a character with a lot of details and you're like, oh my god, how am I gonna color this? Well, I mean, pretty easily if you know how to use those things, because now I'm taken this, and I will only color her. That's like very nice because I'm only coloring the white, and it is very nice for dealing with those kind of like things like wow, one little pixel. Well, not a problem. Here I dealt with it. Yeah, I hope it was helpful.